Hi. Uh, I actually create an incident for creating schedule, uh, and I send you a requirement according to my client requirement. I create a one, two images and send it to you, and after that you replied on this incident. So you have some doubts. So you just here I just know about what is observing binding. So we want to go with Angular or Knockout.js because we don't know about we don't have a knowledge about Angular or Knockout.js, so we stick with normal jQuery method. So second, you asking about you want a specific functionality or any or, or all the below the specified functionality. So I want to create my schedule man using the all functionality because I want to create a sample which in that sample contain all the functionality. If any other client uh, required send me a requirement about creating schedule, so I want to create a sample contain all functionality. So for the future we can refer this sample. So at the third point you said whatever you whatever whether you need sorry for that whether you need same sample to be created all specified three platform. So first of all we work with a simple ASP web control method. After the finalizing the ASP web control method, uh, I would like to know about jQuery method and Windows or desktop form method. So here this is a actual looking Syncfusion uh, schedule default functionality. So first I want to give you answer about your points. So so before that I want to clear that when my schedule is loaded first time, it coming from server side, and whatever happening event, any event like this click event or any hover event happening, or click on workbook or any other event happening here which not go to the server side, uh, means when I click on here there is no page refresh, means there is no post back happen here. So this is my first important requirement. So go to the your first point, template include custom images. We Yeah, I want to include my custom images, just like I'm creating a category for the holiday. So I want to include cat just like when I click on here, I write a subject. Sorry for that. For the detail, when I choose a category here, according to that category, I want to show image here. The second point is responsive. Yes, I want to uh, responsive schedule management system or schedule functionality which work on mobile, uh, tablet, and of course on desktop. So a third point, we already discussed this third point. So this for the fourth point, uh, I just draw here day, week, and month. I need this day, week, month here. When I click on month, there is no post back happen here. The all the data will be loaded without post back. So this is my fourth point. Fifth point. What is custom window? Custom window is currently reminder. Currently we have providing support. Yes, I want a reminder on my reminder on my schedule. What is singular? I just asking you what is singular, so I don't know what is a singular and how you implement singular method in this schedule. So you not mention here anything, you just write we just providing singular support to work the application with multiple browser. So I don't know about what is singular. Appointment search. For the appointment search, I need this appointment search functionality in my schedule, and click on appointment search. Okay, I need in appointment search I need a search, a simple search according to subject. But within, when I click on search on subject, or start time or end time, when I click on this row, I want to show, or on click I want to show a window. I just create here a simple div template. So when I click on here row, so the data will be populated on this div. Or maybe when I hover on this particular row, or on particular the tooltip will be appear on here. Or just when I hover on here, or some pop-up or tooltip appear on here, and in that tooltip, particular tooltip, there is one button view the details. So when I click on view, the pop-up will be appeared, and we will display a detailed data for the particular schedule. So I'm not sure about this is search according to subject, but I really want to implement another drop down here for or methods. Or when I click on subject, I want to choose here according to subject also, and I want to include another date, uh, or start time or start date. I want to implement start date here also for the searching criteria. Yeah, actually in this point, especially we implement school management system, and they don't want a print method mostly, because they like to store the data in Excel or maybe stored in PDF. So uh, I like to export my data in my Excel or PDF or in Word format, but still you don't support this format. But in future, you release this type of support. So I'm I need this exporting method for this particular for exporting schedule, time mode, and here view mode. So I actually draw a schedule here. For the time mode, I need here, I'm not conclude about which time mode I required. So I just want to include one drop down for the time mode. When I click on here, without post back, the data will be displayed as the time mode, uh, according to 12 hour or 24 hour. When I click on uh, horizontal view or vertical view, the my schedule display or template will be changed according to that horizontal view or uh, vertical view. So here you display drag and drop event, or especially, okay, here click on here, For the weak method, when I click on drag here, so this so the time will be changed and data will be updated. So at that time when I drag on here, I I like to implement one loading event, unloading event, loading pop-up for when I drag here and leave this left mouse at left mouse, then loading event appear until the data will be saved. My on over. So here you support just like on click event, but for the view, uh, okay, you think you said we support on click or pop-up window, so I'm very happy for that. But here I want a view, I want a view button. When I click on view button, uh, I want to show a pop-up or display. I just create here template. I just create a template for when I click on view, that the data will be display here. So it's better you just click on here, but I don't know how this look when I going to the responsive view. mm, my grid view will be show my all the data, so when I implement view button, I don't know how it look in mobile. So but I want to show data on here. When I click on view button, in that view button the data will be cleared. So according to your side, please suggest me what should I do here, because I want to display this when I click on view, I want to display my data on my mobile or my tablet. So none of the, so this this method or this window will be not displayed in mobile when I click on view. So this display this window will be appear at the appear below of grid view. So just suggest me where should I place this D or template on my grid view when I click on view button, or this grid view I display as a tooltip, or please suggest me what can I do for when I click on view button. Just do. So we just move the next point. uh, Red event, green event, so I already discussed about that. When I click on here, when I click on here in detail, uh, in detail, I want to include a drop down here, or maybe I want to include a cascading drop down here. So in that drop down I want to set a color and images on here. So according to the category the color will be changed. I don't My mindset is not clear about that, so I'm little bit confusing here. But I want to set a color so my event will be show a so this is all the green events, so I don't know about which event for which for that, so I want to categorize according to color. So so for the demo purpose, I'm not conclude about how exactly sync fusion event is work. So for the demo purpose, I just include one a drop down. So according to drop down the image will be display, or according to that category the color will be changed. So for the for the demo purpose I need only one drop down. So in future if I using multiple cascading drop down, so this is the first we include only a single drop down. So I don't want to confuse you, or we just move the next point. Yeah, I actually implement this I actually read this point, so I want to implement my in my schedule schedule sample. We using web services for the getting a data for that. So after the first all the if this all the sample is ready, the after that if there is any problem we will share you our web services, so you can help me according to my web services. For that for that in 70 I want to discuss my point. So we have a school management system and contains so many data, so many categories. So school contain so many teachers according to subjects, or different subject content different chapters. So many categories I'm including here. So for the scheduling, for the scheduling, we consider as a teacher. So we in my school we assign a schedule for teaching, schedule for classes. So for the particular point, so we talk about teachers, so schedule for classes. So we just for teacher, uh, okay, I have teacher name is Komal. So I create a schedule for schedule for week schedule for the Komal. So at that point, when I think about cascading drop down, when I click as teacher, so list of teacher will become the when I click on Komal, so all the data will be included in database or event including regarding about or classes regarding about Komal will appear on my schedule. So that's what I'm saying here. So here the first point is holiday. So uh, about holidays, so we including school management system. So here I mentioned I want to import some predefined schedule or directly import in my in schedules. So for the 18 and 19 point schedule insert form or filtering schedule forms. So here, wait a minute, when I click on here, for the inserting or updating form, so I need a first subject. I want to I like this form, but when I click on here, uh, I don't need a create appointment here. I don't need create directly appointment. I just need a detail. When I type a subject, I need only detail. When I click on detail, I need a subject, start time, end time, a default this functionality, and this is a detail about what type of create appointment. When I click on here, done. This okay. This is data will be inserted in the, or schedule will be created. When I click on here, I will need delete button. I need here view button and edit appointment. When I click on edit appointment, here is a category. So I just mentioned I need here category, or according to category the image will be appear, according to category uh, the color will be changed here. But when I click on here edit button, I need to display another drop down or another method, because this event thing as example, I create a event appointment of my trustee. I create event for trustee. So trustee have so many appointment for today. uh, he have appointment at 12 o'clock. So that we just mention here he he have appointment on 12 o'clock. So but the some reason this appointment is cancelled. So I click on edit, and then when I need some drop down button, cancel appointment or cancel event or event close, or event will be postponed. If this event is postponed, then I want to create, I'm not confusing you, just I just need one drop down. If event is closed, nothing will be happen. If event is postponed, so I need another start date and end date. When I click on the start date and end date, subject will be same, the category will be same. I need another start date and end date. So when I click on start date on end date, and create, the new event will be appear on according to date. And I need another text box here, or another same text box here. So for the when I event close event, so why close or cancel event, so I need just write a detail about why this event is cancelled, or why this event is closed or postponed. When then after the edit, I click on done. Until the event will be not save here, the loading pop-up will be appear here. And so my client will not click anywhere in the grid view. So it's so I just for the demo purpose, I just write detail here. For Wait a minute, I just check where is I miss some point or not. Okay, okay, I just missed one point. uh, for the custom view, here is the custom view. I need this custom searching for. I need also one uh, here appointment search. I need start date and according to subject. So I need two for the appointments. I need start date and searching according to the uh, appointment search. So I need another custom panel here for the searching. In that, I already said I need a my data will be appeared here according to my categories, also many according to my categories. So think about, I have so many uh, my school contain teachers, or teacher will categorize uh, higher secondary, or according to classes. So when I click on higher secondary, so all the higher secondary teacher will appear on here. When I click on teacher name, according to teacher name, the data will be displayed here. So uh, then I want to start date and end date here. I need a start date and end date here for the searching method. When I click on submit, the data will be displayed here. So you asking me why you need a here appointment search and start date here, and you also need another custom panel. So I already said I want to include all the functionality in my one sample. So whenever I need a client requirement, I don't want a search boxes here. I just need a custom panel. So we can create schedule according to his requirements. So my English is very bad, but I try to explain what I required from you. So for the demo purpose, I need a sample according to my requirement. So just create a demo sample for me. If there is any error or any mistake or any requirement, so I will be get back to you. So thank you for watching this video.